Hey, it's me, Russ, and it's my birthday. And Dana and I just had pizza at this place where I used to eat when I was in high school. It's been there since 1977. This place has been around, and it's still there. It's good pizza too, still. I like it better than it was actually.
And more than just pizza.
And more than just pizza, they make everything.
That's why I'm here. I'm like trying to get into churches.
Man,
Mitch,
good to meet you. How long have you had this?
3 years.
Nice. Have you done anything to it since you've had it, or?
The motor's stock. It's got stage 3 suspension upgrades, so bigger sway bar, better shocks, stiffer release springs,
Nice.
short throw shifter, sound system, seats, harness bar harnesses.
5.7. Got the Bose system. Nice. 5.7 liter. The Vet. There's the wheel. No one's gonna steal it. You take the wheel with you. Like the red, white, and blue. That's cool. Freedom Vet 3 on the Instagram. Whoa!
Yeah, Mitch's.
He's like, I have a recording of him getting fixed.
It happens.
This is the collector's edition.
100 edition.
It says it's a small drone. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I'm sure worse things.
Putting it in the wall this summer anyway. So.
Yeah. A little bit. Drones flying by.
He was doing a band, and there was a camera in there, and he had VR on it, like so it was like he was actually drifting on the track like a car.
Pretty brilliant idea by Emerald City Drones to invite car groups out to this, you know, and a little RC car drifting competitions. You rent a little RC car to drift around corners, and it's like practice drifting. And they had drones, like flying drone tracks at $2 to play the drift car simulator, which is pretty cool. People wearing VR headsets and driving their drones around this little track course here. Ouch. Slam. And there's the drift car simulator right there. Got the e-brake and the whole thing. And here we are. I had to mute this part out because of the music I was playing, but I might have spread around on social media that it was my birthday and there was a car meetup. Not my idea. There was another car group that was meeting up there, so I just spread it around to other car groups. Get flagged for copyright with the ACDC. All the cars. There's a Mustang over there. I got a couple Mustangs. A couple of Fords over here. Yeah. Spent many an hour talking to the service representatives. That's where service was, and they would write work, you know, and it was interesting. Wow, look at that.
So they do this on the service time? No.
Escort.
This is the first night. Oh. So we wanted. Neither did I.
There's a little model on there. I'm trying to see what it says. Can't see it. All I can see is trees. There it is. It's a Nissan Payo, 1989. PAO. A little cassette player in there too. Look at that.
Yeah, it's just loud. That's the coolest car here.
Yes. That was interesting.
Oh yeah. No weight. I can honestly say I've never seen one.
Yeah. Me neither. Look at the stereo in there, dude. Got a little cassette player. That's cool. Wow. 2013. 5.0. I like the Subaru. Problem officer? I was just there this morning, Jamie. And no, I didn't go to Harbor Freight. Somebody ran through their door and stole some stuff. It's not even expensive stuff either. No. Right-hand drive.
Wonderful. It's a little bit more power.
Nice.
That's great. It is gutless.
Yeah, this is doing 85 miles per hour.
So, nice rig, man. Tell me the story. Where did you...
And he kept it for about a year. He didn't work on it or do anything really with it besides drive it a couple times.
1,700 miles?
1,700 miles on it.
Wow.
I traded him a 93 Evo 1.
Okay.
I actually was doing 85 miles per hour to the other location I'm used to going to. Fucking Saturday night meets.
Well, I get on flat level ground I'll do 65.
Really the better end of the deal, but there was more work than he bargained.
Wow. Where did he get his right-hand drive? Was it imported or just...
Yes, this is imported. I'm the third owner since been in the States for the last year and a half.
Okay.
The last time it was registered in Japan was about 2017, I believe.
Okay.
So it sat for about a year, and then every owner here just hasn't done anything with it.
It just sat somewhere in a garage someplace.
First guy bought it, he had his temp license on it, guy smashed the windshield out, or the rear window out, took the plate.
Oh, wow.
My buddy put a Lexan window in, when I got it, I hunted for that rear window. I've replaced a lot of parts on this.
Yeah? Where did you find the rear window? Wrecking yard or something like that?
Japan.
Oh, really?
It took
Wow.
about 30 people to finally find somebody to actually ship me the window.
Oh, wow. Wow. That's cool. That is so cool.
Commission, the company that made exhaust for this, they actually made me one.
Oh, yeah? Wow.
One of the few companies I actually have been able to convince them to bring out the old dies and make me something.
Yeah. You probably got a kick out of that, right? What year?
This is a 91.
91.
First year they put the rear seat in. Prior to that, these were considered vans.
Yeah. Wow. A little intake painted.
Yeah, that's all for 83.
Oh, is it? Okay.
That just came
I
out
was
of
going to say, is that going to fit on here?
Huh?
I was going to say, that isn't going to fit on here.
No. Another car.
Yeah.
The wheels are legit Watanabe SSR flat wheels.
All right.
Super exclusive. I had them custom powder coated. About $500 and some odd worth of titanium hardware holding it together also.
Right. Wow. And you got 3 cylinders. Nice.
62 horsepower, 3-cylinder, 66 bore.
Tell you what, this is a sought-after car. Gas 550.
Oh yeah,
gallon.
I pull about 40. If they had the manual, I'd probably pull a little bit more.
Wow. Yeah, tune it in. Who needs a hybrid, right?
Right?
Who need all those batteries?
It'll do 85 miles per hour. That's plenty.
Wow. Yeah, it's a sweet little car. Thanks for sharing it. So remind me again, 85? 85.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet, and it sounds cool. Did you do anything with the exhaust?
No, it's previous owner had gotten the cat replaced with just straight pipe,
okay.
and then the next guy pulled the big muffler off and had a piece of straight pipe welded in. So it's just a bunch of different owners
Right.
eventually straight piping it.
Oh,
And
nice.
so now that it's mine, the mufflers themselves are starting to rot out at the joints at the bottom.
Uh-huh.
So then I'll do something like that. And I'll probably be the last person, and then they'll be straight all the way out.
Sweet. Nice.
Stuff like that just never happens. And then, they
There
are
it is.
going up in value. Look at the history.
That's cool that your headlights work too.
You'll see that they're going
Yeah.
up.
Yeah.
I didn't look at it.
and he's sitting there arguing with me, and he's like, "That's not how it works." I am, however, sitting on 7 Camaros that are going to go up in price. They're second gens, but third gens.
Oh yeah, I heard you telling me that guy. Yeah.
Yeah, and then he's like, "I just picked up."
There's a big Ford truck. Geo Tracker. There's another small one. There's another fun small car, truck thing. This was fun, Dana, huh? It's starting to get cold now, though.
What time do these usually take place?
7 to 10.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. Sure.
Big Chevy truck. Underneath the big service sign, the lights have come on, and I think we're going to call it a night. 9:30. It's getting late for us old people. But yeah, the car lot's kind of starting to dissipate. Not quite as many vehicles here now, but who knows? It's been a nice crowd, not too much noise. It's been fun. Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around!